Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where I will see one example of the if-else statement. We will demo the if-else statement. So, you know the program that we have written for the if statement where you have asked you to enter a number, and if the number is less than equal to 10, then we printed that you are an obedient servant, right? So that is the program. We'll modify a little bit, and we have included the else part also here. So, I'm not going to discuss up to this main. So what we did is we declared a variable, integer variable num, and then we have asked to enter the number, and then we have scanned the value in this num variable through the keyboard. And then what we are doing here is we are saying that if num is less than or equal to 10, then printf what an obedient servant you are. Else, now look into this. This is the new part. That else, we are printing you are a fighter. And after that there is a printf which is outside this if and else block, okay, and which says that after the if else block ending the program. Okay, so now let's see what will be the output of this program for different values of num. So it got compiled correctly. So now let me run it. So it is asking me to enter a value less than 10. Let's be an obedient servant and let's enter a value less than 10. So I'll put 6. So now the output, it says that what an obedient servant you are, which is a part of the if block. And after that, after the if else block ending the program, you see now you are a fighter. This particular statement did not get execute. Correct? This particular statement did not get executed. So now you can understand that the if and else block is mutually exclusive. That means if the control is going into the if block, so the control will never go to the else block. Or if the condition in the if block is false, then the control will come to the else block. That means the control has never gone to if block. Okay, so that is why this is called mutually exclusive. But see one thing, that this printf statement, that after the if else block, this will get executed irrespective of whether the condition is true or false, because this is not within the if else block, it is outside of the if else block. So the control will always come into this block either after the if block or after the else block. So now let's take a look by running this. A value which is greater than 10, let's say 11. Okay. So now you see that it prints that you are a fighter, which is coming from the else block, because 11 is less than 10, less than equal to 10. That particular condition is false. So if this is false, so that means it will not go into the if block, it will come into the else block, right? So then what it finds in the else block is a printf statement which says you are a fighter, and after that the else block ends, and then it goes out of the else block and it finds another printf statement. That is why it prints after the if block whatever there is in the printf statement. So this is how normally the if else block works. Thank you for watching this video.